Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create generate image from text in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva. If you don't have, you can try to download and install it for free from official website, or you can try the Canva via browser. So after you sign in, and if you don't have an account, please register, sign up. You can find the apps and try to find trending apps. Under trending apps, you can look for the Mojo AI, image art, image to image, QR art, AI generation. So here you can click on to use in new design, and here you can try to type your idea. Let's start a new one. And here a boy who just learned martial arts, and you can select your art style: cinematic, fantasy, digital art, gothic, comic book, anime, and you can select the canvas or aspect ratio. And here there is another style like infinity, vision, or QR. Let's start with the first one, the express, and create a masterpiece here. So I do have 10 free credit left, so you need to pay it in a way. So click create masterpiece, preparing your masterpiece. Wait for a moment, and here we go. This is you can click an image to save and add to your design. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.